Hello, and thank you for joining Electrical District Number Three's Home Energy Series. This featured course is about heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. This class will review ways to conserve energy and save on energy costs related to your HVAC system. Heating and cooling usually make up 35 to 40% of the average household's utility bill. Up to 35% of your generated heating and cooling may escape through walls, gaps, and windows. Efficient HVAC systems can significantly reduce energy consumption and lower utility bills. Investing in energy-efficient models can lead to substantial long-term savings. Size matters. Proper sizing of HVAC equipment is crucial. An oversized system will cycle on and off frequently, leading to increased energy consumption and decreased comfort in your home. A building envelope or building enclosure is the physical separator between the conditioned and unconditioned environment of a building, including the resistance to air, water, heat, light, and noise transfer. The building envelope or enclosure is all the elements of the outer shell that maintain a dry, heated, or cooled indoor environment and facilitate a home's climate control. Looking for ways to assess and address your home envelope? ED3 provides a $49 home energy audit, a $200 value. A home energy audit is an assessment that is provided by a certified contractor. The auditor will take an in-depth look at your home and its energy consumption. The contractor will provide a detailed report with their recommendations for making your home more energy efficient. Home energy audits can result in identifying and correcting problem areas within your home, decrease your home energy usage, therefore lowering your utility bills, and increase the overall comfort in your home. Call today to set an appointment for your home energy audit. If you're inspecting your own HVAC system or shopping for a new model, it's important to understand how to read the label. The following are some important items on the label that are related to energy efficiency. If you look at number 2, you will see the model number. In the middle of the model number will be a number divisible by 12. This will provide the tonnage. This model is 2 ton. Ton is the measurement for cooling capacity. 1 ton means a unit can freeze a ton, 2,000 pounds of water in 24 hours. If you look at number 4, you'll see the RLA, the rated load amperage. This is the max amps the motor will use after starting up during normal operation, but your unit will not pull this amount all the time. If you look at number 5, you will see the LRA, the locked rotor amperage. This is the amps the motor will use when starting up. When your unit starts up often, your bill can skyrocket. You can multiply this times the volts to see your startup wattage. And number 10, you'll see your fan motor. Your fan uses energy in addition to the rest of your air conditioning. This section shows both its amps, FLA, and its volts, AC. If you're talking about HVACs, you'll want to be familiar with the SEER rating. SEER stands for Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating. It is calculated by dividing the cooling output for a typical cooling season by the total electric energy input for the same time period. SEER 2 is an updated version of this calculation that uses the new M1 blower testing procedure. The higher the SEER rating, the more efficient your unit is because it uses less energy to produce each ton of cooling. Here is an example of how to do the math to compare 2 HVAC SEER ratings. First, you must calculate the watts by multiplying the BTU by the SEER rating. The BTU stands for British Thermal Unit, and it is the amount of energy required to raise 1 pound of water 1 degree Fahrenheit. As demonstrated in the equation, the HVAC with the higher SEER rating required a lower watt to operate at the same capacity, making it more energy efficient. There are many ways to be proactive and save on your home's HVAC system. Make sure to seal up any gaps or holes in your trim, floor, walls, ducting, or around your windows. Upgrade your insulation with materials that have a higher R value. Install a smart thermostat and replace your unit with a higher SEER model. Keep your curtains and blinds closed during the day and keep heat producers away from your thermostat. Regularly clean your HVAC unit, have checkups, and schedule a home energy audit. Keep your AC at 82 degrees in the summer and your heater at 68 degrees in the winter. Turn on ceiling fans instead of turning down your AC. Fans use less energy and provide a 4-degree wind chill. Personal impact can likely easily be adjusted to make your home's HVAC more efficient. Any heat generated inside your home must be removed by your cooling system. Avoid generating heat inside your home whenever practicable. Cook on an outdoor grill as often as possible or use a crock pot or microwave oven. Use the air drying setting on your dishwasher. Do laundry in the cooler times of the day, typically early morning or night. Your computer and your home office equipment also generate heat. Turn them off when not in use. Turn off lights when not in use. Lights produce heat, which make the air conditioning system work harder and cost more. Plant shade trees and shrubs around your home to help reduce the heat of the sun, especially on the west and south sides. This can reduce your cooling costs by up to 25%. Thank you for joining Electrical District Number 3's Home Energy Series on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Complete the HVAC course quiz to receive credit for completion. Please make sure to check out our other videos on water, refrigeration, and lighting and electronics for more ways to save.